Want to see how I got all this stuff for $14.18? And after tax, I only paid $15.23. Stay tuned. And don't forget to stick around to the end because I'm going to show you how you can do better. How this worked is we are going to use this 5 off of 25 smart coupon with other smart coupons to try and bring our total as low as we possibly can. Let's go. Our first deal are these all free and clear packs. They are the 39 count. They are on sale for $6.95. Using the $2 off of one smart coupon, you will only pay $4.95. Our next deal is the Snuggle fabric softener. It is 36 small loads, or if you look at the ounces, it is 60 fluid ounces. It is on sale for $2.45. Using the 50 cents off smart coupon, you will only pay $1.95. These 15 count Purex packs are on sale for $2.45. Using the 50 cents off smart coupon, you will only pay $1.95. Tampax Pearl or Tampax Radiant tampons are on sale, 2 boxes for $8.50. Using the $3 off of 2 smart coupon, you will only pay $5.50 for both boxes. This Colgate toothpaste is on sale for 88 cents. It is the 1.3 through 2.7 ounce. They are on sale for 88 cents. We do not have a smart coupon for it, but we need it to bump our total over $25. So here is my mistake, so pay close attention to what I'm going to say next. In the ad, it says that Gain Flings are $3.95 and there is a $2 off of one digital coupon, making them $1.95. Well, that works if you have that coupon available to you. I used that coupon last week, did not realize it, and completely paid $3.95 because I didn't have that digital coupon available. So how you can fix that mistake very easily is to make sure that you have that digital coupon available to you. You more than likely will if you did not use it last week. So everything else worked without a hitch. This is how I planned it. You can pause this and screenshot it if you need to. The total should be $12.18 before tax. And as you can see, everything came off on my receipt except for I paid $2 more, $14.18 before tax because I did not have that $2 Gain Fling coupon. And that, folks, is how I paid $14.18 and after tax only $15.23 for all of this awesome stuff. And how you can do better. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.